Hi guys, Olaf here from LSE. Today we're doing a product comparison from Warrior, which is carried by Harbor Freight in store, between a silicon carbide abrasive wheel, which you're seeing right now me using, and a twisted wire cup brush. Here you can actually see the original 10-foot 2x2 square tube. The one on the left or above right now is full with rust, was sitting outside for over a year, and it's the same stick. I bought it at the same time, just cut it in 3 sections, 2 10-foot section and 1 4-foot section. They are originally coming in 24 feet length. So as you can see, I spent about 10 minutes cleaning that with the silicon carbide disc, and got it very well off without any sparks flying or any bigger hazards. And here in a few, you're also going to see the whole thing with the twisted wire cup brush, which is a 3-inch from Harbor Freight. So back to the abrasive wheel. The SKU number is 94017, and it's the one for 4.5 inches, which I'm using right now, and you can see I used it quite a lot. A disc normally lasts, I would say, an hour, half an hour, full use to an hour on material like that, and then you have to swap it out to a new one. So now you can see it, and I sped up this video here 4 times. Over to the twisted wire cup brush, which is the 3-inch one, also from Warrior. The SKU number is 47927 or 60482. It took me about 2-3 minutes longer than the abrasive wheel, and you're gonna see here there's a twisted wire brush cup. Works very well, but doesn't clean the metal as good as the abrasive wheel. So here you can see on the left side is the abrasive wheel, and on the right side is the wire cup. So right now I'm walking around, just straighten everything out so it actually looks better on camera. So now you can look, and I'm focusing on it here. Left side abrasive, right side steel cup. And you see that on the right side there, the steel cup left a lot of rust behind. I later on went over with the abrasive wheel as well and knocked it right off, came out both the same way at the end. But I just wanted to show you guys why I prefer to use for removing rust from steel before I start priming and painting it and then welding it in place. The silicon carbide or polycarbide disc over the steel cup. If you guys have comments, please leave them below. This is a short video, as you guys can see, so if you like those comparisons on products, please rate and subscribe, and there will be more videos soon. Thanks for watching.